Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Hi my dear students. Today I am going to explain you about surface area of some objects. First, let us know what is surface area. Surface area means the exposed area of a particular object. Exposed area means, let us consider an object. This is a book. What is its surface area? Its surface area is nothing but how many faces that this particular book is having, and the area of all those faces is called its surface area. Once again I am telling, how many faces that this book is having, the area of all those faces together is called its surface area. Suppose this book contains 6 faces, 6 plane faces. See here, top, bottom, front, back and side faces. Total 6 faces are there. So its surface area is all the faces area, plane faces area is its surface area. So here in this class we are going to find out the surface area of 3 objects. First one is cuboid. This one, cuboid. Second one is this one. And you know this one very well, cube. We are going to find out its surface area. Third one, cylinder. This is called cylinder and we are going to find out its surface area. First, surface area. Let us know what is area first. Area is the place occupied by an object on a plane face, plane surface is called its area. Okay. And different shapes are having different formulas to calculate their areas. Okay. So after finding the area, we will get a number. So that means area is a number, a positive real number. That one you have to understood first. Suppose there is a triangle. There is a triangle whose base is 14 centimeters. Height is 7 centimeters. Its area is, we know the formula, half base into height. So half base 14, height 7. 2 sevens are, so 7 sevens are 49 centimeters square. So at last, area we are getting a number. So area is a positive real number. Means at last, surface area also is a number. That means after some calculations we are going to get a number. That one you have to understood first. Now, I am going to find out the surface area of cuboid. First, cuboid. This one. As I said before, surface area is nothing but area of all its faces, plane faces. If you observe here, this cuboid is having rectangular faces. See here, this is a rectangle, this is another rectangle, this is another rectangle, and this is another rectangle. Its front is a rectangle, back is also a rectangle, top rectangle, bottom rectangle, and side faces also rectangles. So, an object whose all the faces are rectangles, we can call it as a cuboid. All the 6 faces are rectangles, we'll call it as a cuboid. See here, it is having 6 faces. See, front, back, top, bottom, and side face, 2 side faces. Front, back, 2 faces, top, bottom, 2 faces, and side faces, 2. Total 6 faces. And all the 6 faces are rectangles. So if all the 6 faces of a object is rectangles, it is called a cuboid. A rectangular parallelepiped, generally we used to call it as a cuboid. So its surface area is nothing but all the 6 faces area. Means all the 6 rectangles area is its surface area. See. So its formula is surface area is also called as total surface area, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. Square units. Okay. Surface area and total surface area. Both are same. Surface area, total surface area. Both are same. Means all the faces area of that particular object here. Now, there is another formula, that is LSA, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means excluding top and bottom. Excluding top and bottom. Remaining faces are 4. That is front, back and 2 side faces. Front, back and 2 side faces. These 4 faces are called lateral faces of cuboid. Lateral faces of cuboid. And its area is 2h into L plus B square units. Square units. This is what about cuboid. Okay, once again I am telling all the 6 faces area, top, bottom, front, back, 2 side faces, all the 6 faces area is called surface area or total surface area, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Excluding top and bottom, excluding top and bottom, remaining 4 faces area. What are the remaining 4 faces? Front, back, 2 side faces. They are called LSA, lateral faces or lateral surface area, which is 2h into L plus B. Now, I am moving on to Q. Q. What is surface area or total surface area of cube? See, a cube is a object whose all the faces are squares. Cube is the object or a solid whose all the faces are squares. If you observe here, you can see all its faces are squares. Front, back, top, bottom and the remaining 2 side faces. All those faces are squares. So, surface area of this cube is equal to area of 6 square faces. And we know area of a square is S square. So, there are total 6 squares. So, total surface area of cube is 6s square. 6s square. Square units. Area is measured in square units now. So, square units. Now, LSA. Lateral surface area. As I said before, lateral surface area means excluding top and bottom. The remaining faces area is called lateral surface area. Here, total 6 faces are there and exclude top and bottom. Remaining 4 faces are also squares. Remaining 4 faces are also squares in cube. So, its area is 4s square. So, lateral surface area of cube is 4s square square units. So, surface area or total surface area both are same. Of a cube is 6s square. Lateral surface area of a cube is 4s square. Now, third object, this one. This is called cylinder. Cylinder is having total 3 faces only. What are those 3 faces? Top, bottom and the remaining face is all curved face. If you observe this object, one of its faces is curved face. And top face is a circle, bottom face is also circle. So, 2 faces circles and 1 curved face. So, all the 3 faces area are in the cylinder. Since the cylinder is having only 3 faces and all the 3 faces area is called total surface area of cylinder. Third one, cylinder. Cylinder. So, surface area or total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. If the dimensions are given in centimeters, we will get square centimeters. If the dimensions are given in meters, we will get square meters. So total surface area or simply surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. Now, excluding top and bottom, as I said before, objects also, excluding top and bottom, the remaining faces area is called lateral faces area. But here in the cylinder, excluding top and bottom, the remaining face is curved face. So here, instead of lateral surface area, we will call it as curved surface area. That is what you have to understand. Here, if you take this object, excluding top and bottom, remaining faces are rectangles. Here, in cube, excluding top and bottom, remaining faces are squares. Here, excluding top and bottom in the cylinder, remaining face is only one, that is in the curved shape. So, lateral surface area or curved surface area, both are same in cylinder. Excluding top and bottom, the remaining face is curved face only. So, lateral surface area or curved surface area both are same, which is equal to 2 pi r h square units. So, once again, if we recap, surface area is the total faces area. Total faces area of particular object is called its surface area. Surface area is measured in square units. Now, in our class, we are having only three objects: cuboid, cube, cylinder. Cuboid, surface area or total surface area, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. LSA, 2H into L plus B. Cube, surface area or total surface area, 6s square, because all the faces are squares, its area is 6s square. Lateral surface area, 4s square. Coming to cylinder, surface area or total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. And the lateral surface area or curved surface area, because excluding top and bottom in the cylinder, the remaining face is only curved face. So its area, curved surface area, curved face area or curved surface area is 2 pi r h, where r is radius of the top or bottom and h is height of the cylinder. So my dear students, I think you understood this lesson very well. Dhanyavad.